Kuki militants not only torched farmhouse of Hilghat Gram Panchayat Pradhan L. Somorendro, another name Puching, and house of Koijam Joni, age 56, son of late K. Babaren at Nungkhal in Jiribam district, but also attempted to kill Joni. However, a timely arrival of CRPF team reportedly resulted in his safe rescue. The incident happened last night around 10 p.m. when armed miscreants set ablaze the farmhouse of El Somorendro. The incident came to light by nearby locals around 11:30 p.m. Meanwhile, Koijam Joni's house, located at Nungkhal in Jiribam, was also set ablaze and attempted to kill him. He was later handed over to Jiribam police through former Adhyaksha K.H. Janaki following his rescue by 20th Battalion CRPF team. Speaking to SKTV News, Koijam Joni stated that around 10 Kuki militants knocked on his door around 10 p.m. last night. Fearing for his safety, Joni hid while his wife answered the door. The miscreants forcibly entered, threatened his wife, and demanded to know Joni's whereabouts. When she claimed he was not at home, they strangled her and took her gold chain. Later, they poured kerosene around their house, setting it on fire. Joni managed to escape through the jungle and contacted former Adhyaksha K.H. Janaki for help, and later CRPF team arrived for his rescue and handed him over to Jiribam police.